How to change region in Riot account. Hey there gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling with a common question that's been buzzing in the community. How do you change your region in your Riot Games account? If you have been looking for a quick and easy guide, you are in the right place. Stick around and I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to the Riot Games website, and if you have looked at the account management section before, you might have noticed there is no option to directly change your region. So how do you do it? Let me show you. At the top of the Riot Games homepage, you will see several tabs. Click on the fourth tab labeled Support, and this will take you to the Riot Support Center, where you will find tools for account related issue. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the support page and click on Need More Help. Contact us, and this is where you can submit a support ticket to request a region change. Now next, select the game related to your account. For example, if you are playing Valorant, choose that as your game, and this will open a form for submitting a ticket. And for the request type, choose account management, data request or deletion. And if you are logged out, log back in to continue. Now you will be prompted to the page where you need to enter the necessary details for the request. On the subject section, you can enter something like change region request. And in the inquiry section, select account management and choose the option need help changing region for residency or country assigned to account. If your region is listed incorrectly, Riot Support will help you fix it. You can simply click check here to verify if Riot can determine your region automatically. If they can't determine it accurately and you have moved to the different country, proceed with a request. And in the description field, explain your situation. For example, I used to live in the UK but recently I have moved to the USA and my region needs to be updated. And adding files or photos for proof is optional but not typically required. Once you have filled out all the details, you can simply click submit and Riot support team will review your request and help you update your regions. And that's it. And that's how you can change your Riot account regions and is the only official way to do it. And the support team is great at helping with this kind of requests. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more videos. And got any question, you can drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.